Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the environment. Make sure Windows Update's applied and you've rebooted. Then update your NVIDIA/AMD/Intel drivers with a clean install. That prevents driver residue. Run DXdiag, save the report, and note the Directx version and any display driver errors. Once done, open the Riot client and trigger the built-in game repair. This checks game files against Directx calls. Make sure to run the client as administrator, so file writes succeed and permissions aren't blocking the fix. Next, you handle the runtime layer. Install the Directx end-user runtime and the most recent Visual C++ redistributables to restore missing DLLs. While that installs, disable overlays and background capture because they can conflict with Directx calls. After installing runtimes, repair or reinstall Riot Vanguard. Its kernel component often prevents Directx initialization when corrupted. Once Vanguard is reinstalled, reboot the PC and run Valorant. The reboot ensures drivers and services start in the correct. For final remediation, use the to remove GPU drivers completely and then perform a fresh driver install. That eliminates driver conflicts. After drivers, run sfc/scano and dism restore to fix corrupted system files that break Directx. Reinstall Valorant only if the game still fails to start, and collect DXdiag plus Riot logs to aid diagnosis. If things still go wrong, roll back to a previous driver or test on another Windows account. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether the issue is system-wide or profile-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.